Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial we have created image input field in the setting form. As you can see, this is the final layout which we are going to pursue for the development. Okay, here's the one thing, these images are looking bad because there is no images selected. That's why it is looking like this. So we are going to add the demo image. If there is no images selected, then that will be appear here. Okay, so what we will do, we will use a simple jQuery to set an image here. Okay, this is the demo image we have. We will go into the index. Okay, we will search for the images. If no image is selected, then this image will be placed there. How we will do this? Inspect. Okay, now we are going to search images with the help of class. We can add class here as class demo image and put this class in every image slot. Now once refresh the page and then go to the console, search for this class. We have 3 images dot. Now we will create a loop. Here we have length. Okay, let's create a loop here in the bottom. Create a script tag, document.ready. Here we will create a loop. So here we have length is equal to this for where x is equal 0, x is less than length, x plus plus. Now search one by one. If let's search 0 dot attribute source, that's it. If x source is equal to this, then add an image, and here is the path of that image. Okay, so we will set the path like this. And that's it. Now once refresh and see the change. Okay, this image is not found. Remove this and also this. Once refresh again and let's see the magic. Okay, so this is how it will look alike when no image is selected. Now we need to add a image listener, so when we will change image, it will be updated into the relevant image box. Let's go to the post index. Here is that. Here we have the read image function. Okay, and that's it. Copy this and paste here. This read image will be a read image and put into the relevant field. Okay, we will place comma and here is the ID. Okay, now place this ID here. Okay, and it will update that. Now we need to do this. we need to add this listener in 3 fields. We need to copy their IDs, okay, this ID, and we need to add ID here to image. This and okay, so what actually happened when it's read the image, it will get sourced and updated into this. Okay, backend logo and backend logo image. Now implement this here too. For the instance of time, remove the third listener and see is it work or not. Okay, so it is worked here, and where it is working, it is working here. Okay, we put the wrong one there, so refresh once again, backend logo, yes, we need to update these. So this ID is associated with this, and this ID is associated with this image tag. Now once refresh and test once again. So now it is quite good. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.